Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. In the previous video, we were doing the comprehension section of the chapter named The First Pet Pup. So, let's continue with the remaining portion of the comprehension section. Answer these questions. What did Bambi benefit by all her life? Answer: Bambi was benefited by the bringing up mistakes of the family. They have been learning with Bambi and had one minute. Yes. Now again I will start the question. Yes. What did Bambi benefit by all her life? So the answer is Bambi was benefited by the bringing up mistakes of the family. They had been lenient with Bambi and that had spoilt her. Now coming to the second question, how were the books partially pulped? The books were partially pulped because they had been chewed upon by Bambi. What preventive measures did the family have to take to keep the pup out of harm's way? The family had to keep the electrical socket out of Bambi's reach. They have to ensure that she didn't chew upon a live wire. Coming to the fourth question, how did Bambi get at the butter? What happened after that? Did Bambi learn a lesson? Bambi get the butter because the door of the refrigerator has been left ajar. Ajar means little open. So after that, Bambi was unwell for next 2 days, and kept retching. No, Bambi did not learn a lesson from the experience and repeated the performance another time with a wok full of oil in which kebabs were fried. Now coming to the fifth question, what did the author learn from raising Bambi? The author learned that bringing up pets is not an easy task. They should never be fed at the table. Now coming to the D question, think and answer. Do you think that author and the family were fond of dog? Why? The author and family were exceptionally patient with Bambi and her mischiefs. Also, the authors say that Bambi was their first pup and they did not repeat the same mistake with the other dogs. They show that they loved dogs as they were not only patient but had other dogs too. Why is the author glad that there were no cell phones in old days? Bambi chewed whatever came her way. So the author was glad that there were no cell phones during those days, as somebody would have surely left one lying around. Bambi would have chewed it up and fallen sick. Now coming to the last question, would you say Bambi was an inquisitive dog? Why? Sorry. Bambi pried into open fridge and waste paper baskets where nothing can be seen from outside. So it is obvious that Bambi was an inquisitive dog. Now coming to the find suitable phrasal verb in the story to fill in the blanks below. My life revolves around studies and sports. You must watch out for possible problem in a new city. Ria's mother was operated upon few weeks ago and now she is fine. The ayers turned up unannounced and I did not know what to serve them. Can you please wheel out the trolley to the living room? Co-location are words that go together. Complete the sentence by choosing the most appropriate option. Their sincere compliments made me very happy. So here C is the correct option. Sarah has dash workload for tomorrow. B. Heavy. Deepak likes reading thrillers for their dash consequences and turn of event. Startling. So option C. Question number 4. There isn't any dash rule to lead a happy life. Option B. Golden. Tanvi likes dash coffee. Option C. Strong. Here grammar study. This portion of grammar study will be given in next video. Now coming to the H question. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of verb given in the brackets. So here Rahul and Imran are betting now. The other team is fielding. The bat and field were given as the words and the verbs given in the bracket, and we have to change this into present continuous. So are betting is fielding. The helicopter is hovering over the specters looking for the troublemakers. The police is checking the deserted fort to look for the thieves. A new tenant is moving into the house across the street. How many children are arriving by this train? Now coming to the question I. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect or present perfect continuous tenses of the verb given within the bracket. Tick the statements in which both are possible. Amit has been looking for his pen since Monday but has still not found it. Manoj has lived in Dehradun all his life. Nido has been talking to his aunt since 2 o'clock. Gokul has completed his homework and packed his school bag. Remo Fernandez has been singing since 6 o'clock. It has rained in Shillong this morning. So in this way we have completed up to the work study of the exercise. In the next video we will do the remaining portion of the exercise. Hope you all have understood it. If you have any problem you can call and ask me. Thank you and have a good day.